Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited because I have a brand new subscription box to bring to my channel. That's right. Today I'm going to be showing you the first time marked by INKED. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this box just arrived and I believe this one is the November-December box. This box is actually bi-monthly, so it comes every other month, so it's 6 per year. I did pay for a 3-box subscription, which would be 6 months, but you get 3 boxes because it is bi-monthly. And this is called Marked by INKED, and this is basically a box for people that have tattoos. So I'm so excited to bring this box to my channel because I'm really excited to bring something new and something that I've never done before, since this is kind of like a tattooed base box. I'm so excited to see what's going to be in here and what's going to be in the next 2 boxes to know if I'm going to be keeping it or letting it go, but we're gonna find out. This is only the very first box. I want to give them at least 3 to determine. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the company. That's what I do when I first bring a box to my channel, because I want to let you know anything and everything that I can find out. And then after that, I kind of tend to just tell you at the very end and get right into the unboxing. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. Again, this is Marked by INKED, is a hand-curated every other month subscription box curated exclusively for tattooed enthusiasts. Meet your new obsession, the experience, an every other month subscription of 5+ high-valued products celebrating tattoo culture. Each box features a collectible, a limited edition piece of canvas art by a notable tattoo artist, and exclusive apparel from a top tattoo shop. Membership is a vibrant community with exclusive benefits and chance to enjoy once-in-a-lifetime VIP experiences. So you can do a pay-as-you-go where you get 1 box every 2 months, and that is $39.95. Or you can do what I did. I prepaid for 3 boxes, which is 6 months, and it brought it to $99. Now shipping is $6.95 per box. And every marked box features high-valued products celebrating tattoo culture with a curated assortment of exclusive canvas art by a notable tattoo artist, t-shirt or hats from a famous tattoo shop, which I'm kind of confused about the t-shirt part because it didn't ask. I don't recall it asking my shirt size. I might have, like, I was so excited when I saw this box that I signed up instantly that I'm not quite sure. I don't recall it asking my shirt size, but maybe it did. I'm not quite sure about that one, but you get tattoo skincare, CBD health and wellness, additional gifts from our partners, chances to win a golden ticket, and with every box sold, we donate to the Scars Foundation. So that's amazing that they give back and they donate to a foundation. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what this bi-monthly box brings. And now I'm gonna be so excited to get, I guess, January and February's box. So hopefully that does come soon. So it says culture style art, and there's the actual box. I did remove my mailing label. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we're going to be getting. I'm so excited. So when you open her up, ooh, that's what it looks like. And maybe this is it says culture style art. Marked by INKED represents a culture movement anchored in creative expressions with products and experiences that reflect this philosophy. And it actually is a postcard. So you can either keep it or you can send it to somebody. But it is a postcard, and that is the artwork for this particular one. So that's neat. So that's right off the top. Then here is a booklet. It says Founders Edition. Ooh, there's Laura. She was the winner of last season. And this kind of goes over, all right, so this goes over all of the goods that is inside. Does it give us pricing? It does. So, ooh, you guys. Okay, let me just say, blue's my favorite color. Teal, definitely, if you guys follow me, you know that. But black and red is like my weakness. I love those two colors together. Black and red just looks so good. And they have the red paper with this black, it's like the old school like stamp, like the candle wax stamp. And it has like a T or an I, maybe it's an I for inked. That is so cool that they actually put that personal touch. It's not just a sticker. It's like a, that is so neat. That is so cool. So that is what is on the top. I really like that. So let's go ahead and cut this tape, and when you open it up, this is what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and go with the very first thing. This is Kpop's food, Kpop sauce. And I love hot sauce, so hopefully this is really good. It says established in LA, 2017. Spice level, it's 2 out of 3. Sweet and tangy with a kick. So I'm really excited because I love spicy foods and I love hot sauce on my food. This says Kpop XXX sauce is a Korean sweet hot chili sauce and delicious on beef, chicken, rice, eggs, ramen, veggies, or even chips. We love it. Valued at $8. So that's what the packaging looks like, and it's a hot sauce, and that's $8. So there's item number 1. And again, I love me some spices. Yes. So next we have is this little guy, and this is Tattoo Aftercare with CBD. Ooh. So this guy right here says designed to hydrate and moisture. Our CBD infused tattoo ointment is ideal for relieving common symptoms associated with tattoos, including swellness, redness, pain, dry skin, and itching. Valued at $20. And I do have an appointment for this weekend to finish my arm up. So that's really cool, because then after, if it's swelling or redness, then I can try this out and see how it actually works. But now that it's opened, it doesn't really have any scent to it. That is just like a normal balm. Let's just see if I were to just hypothetically just put it on. Ooh, it actually brightened up my tattoo though, let me tell you. So I just rubbed it over the one right here and it actually brightened it up. Ooh, that is nice. Okay, so we have an ointment, which I definitely do appreciate that. Then we have is this hat, and it says inked. And this says exclusive custom embroidered inked trucker cap with 100% brushed cotton twill and mesh panels for livability. Valued at $25. And it does have the adjustable like Velcro backing. I do have a bow in my hair, and I'm not really a hat wearer. I don't think hats look good on me, but I don't know. What do you guys think? It's a trucker style. So, I mean, I think that's really cute. I mean, it fits. I just don't think I don't think I look good in hats. I don't think I'm a good hat wearer, but there's a hat and it does fit me. So I do like that. It doesn't fit really small because I have a big dome, but that's just my thing. I have a big dome. Okay, you guys, so now we have something in this little velvet bag, and I'm trying to see what this could be, and I don't see what it could be. So here is this little card, and it says aromatherapy bracelets are made of genuine white howlite gemstones and lava rocks, meant to help realign the body's energy, clear the chakras, and maintain a natural balance between body and mind. How it works? Simply add a few drops of your favorite essential oils into the pearls, lava stones to further guide your mood. All right, let's see what is in here. Oh, so there's 2 bracelets in here, and Ooh, that's lava. Okay, so I think that's really neat that they put all of the beads and then like one lava bead, and then these are all lava beads with one of this one. So they kind of match. Pace, they both just look flu. Like, how in the world did that just happen? Okay, so let's try this again. So there's two different things. They look kind of tiny. I do have a big wrist, so let's see. But they actually fit perfectly. So that is really neat. There's that. And these lava beads I've never seen before, but you can actually see all the little dips and curves, the kind of, I don't know, the impurities in them. That's really, really neat. I don't know why I smelled it. Probably because it says to add essential oils to it. So I was like, let me just sniff this. And then the other one kind of has like a marble effect to it. That is really, really neat. I like that. Okay, now these are $25. So both of these are $25. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so now it says, don't shave it, maintain it. Bluebeard's Original Beard Saver. Daily control and conditioning lotion for the beard. Which I don't have a beard. So, and my man doesn't really have a beard. So I don't know what I'll do with this. I'll find somebody, I guess, that has a beard and see if they want to try it out. But this is for $1. There's that. So then next we have in here, oh my gosh, how cute. This is like a little canvas. It's literally a canvas, you guys. Look how cute that is. This is a Laura Marie. Oh, this is hers. So she must have drew this. That's awesome because I really liked her and I'm so glad she won. No offense to anybody else that was on that season, but I was so glad to see that she won. She does awesome work and I do appreciate that, but this is extremely cute. So this is a Laura Marie canvas. This is valued at $25. It says these creatures are often used in poetry and art and are sometimes carried by travelers to make sure they return home safely from their journeys. The word frog in Japanese means return, which is why the frog is considered a lucky animal. $25. And I never knew that, so that's kind of cool information. So there is that. There's three more items in here, you guys. Ooh. This is a CBD Massage Oil. This right here is valued at $45. This nourishing CBD skin oil is formulated with a broad spectrum CBD oil. That's a big bottle, you guys. To provide a deeply relaxing experience, the 100% natural formula is designed to reduce stress, relieve sore muscles, and moisturize the skin. That's a biggin. This would probably be good on my tattoos too because it is an oil base. Kind of already have stuff on that tattoo, but you know, here. It would probably be good on my tattoos. So there's that. So we have this guy, which is CBD infused, and it's 100% natural and vegan. Directions: apply 1 to 2 pumps to a designated area on the body and massage until relaxed. Use for all skin types, may be applied to the face. Daily use is recommended. And that's valued at $45. So this right here is over the cost of the entire box. So there's that. Then we have is a Body Mark Bic temporary tattoo marker. So it's like a, looks like it would be like a permanent marker, but it's made to make temporary tattoos on your body that you can draw out if you would like. So there's that item. And this right here is valued at $5. And this one says cosmetic quality marker lets you create unique temporary tattoo designs in bright, long lasting colors. and this is black. Right there, valued at $5. And then the last item in here is, ooh, this is Kat Von D's Tattooed Liner. Now, I only hear nothing but good things about her liner, but I've never actually, I don't think I've ever had one. I don't think so. I've had a few other products by her, but not her tattooed liner. And this is Trooper Black. That's what that looks like. And this is valued at $20. Tattoo liner by Kat Von D Beauty, award-winning bestseller for a reason. The vegan, high pigmented formula features all-day wear that's waterproof and smudge resistant. Ooh. And there is the point. And when you use it, ooh. And that doesn't really seem very black. Huh. Maybe you have to build it up. If you build it up, it gets black, but if you just do one little tiny line, it's kind of light. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of liquid, so I'll try that out because I hear nothing but good things about her eyeliner. So it's got to be good, right? So that is everything that came in this bi-monthly box. So we have the trucker hat. Again, let me know, what do you think of that? We have the trucker hat. We have the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. We have the 2 bracelets. We have the CBD infused Aftercare balm. We have this beard lotion. We have a hot sauce. We have a CBD Massage Oil. We have this cool little stamp that was on the front. We have this. We have this. And we have this really cute canvas. And if we get the same canvas in every box, that's gonna be so cute because I can just set them all together if they're all the same size. But we're gonna see because I don't know what to expect. This is my very first box. This box is supposed to have $150 value or more in every single box. So this is what it would be for this month, or this bi-monthly box would be the total right here. What did you guys think of this box? Comment down below. Let me know. Do you think this was worth it? I'm really super glad that I got this. Again, I did get 3 boxes, so that'd be for 6 months because it's bi-monthly. So I can't wait to see what the other 2 boxes have in them. So then we can decide if I should keep it or whichever. But I'm so glad to have a box that's designed for the tattooed enthusiast as myself. So I'm so excited to get this box, you guys, if you can't tell. But comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this box? Did you think it was a good box? Do you think it was worth the value? Again, this being $45 was over the cost of the entire box. And then you get all these really cool things. So again, I can't wait to see what next month brings. So stay tuned for that. So thank you all so much for tuning in and watching this video. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.